please.
On the floor, in the nation. Did she say? One tequila roses. You've got bombs,
I didn't do it on the show there.
No, I can undo my beer. She needs a lot of practice. I can drink.
Boys come up with it. I can't drink from that. My wife will. You know, fucking going on down there. Especially down back home now.
Do you know when you're on famous, right? Because you knew his next year. That's what's going to be like.
Oh, well, anyway, I don't mind. That's straight sweeter.
I'm not having a drink, eh?
And I like white beer.
You're having a drink on the way home?
I don't drink.
I can drink like a normal person.
Hey, where's the bar over? Living in the bar room?
Are you seriously going to drink?
Can you? It's my last day of my birthday.
You got the new shop thing or something?
That is places in that. I hope they sell fair. Tobacco, yeah. Tobacco. She was telling me about it men buying photos of people's feet.
There's a website. I saw it on I've seen it before. And I've got photos of your feet. And this one. I think I'm going to do photos of them that I would have done no way. And she got see, it's a camera. It's like an OnlyFans for feet.
Going Florida. Then much better. Good down there, isn't it? Yeah.
Just that.
Hello everyone, it's time to take you through the safety procedures for our Boeing 737-800. This is very important, so please remove any headphones and listen carefully.
In the seat pocket in front of you, you'll find a safety instruction card.
It has all sorts of safety information, with info on emergency doors and escape routes, oxygen masks, how to use the life jackets, brace position and more.
You'll find even more safety info in our in-flight magazine. Please be aware of the safety signs in the cabin and follow all instructions given by our crew.
This plane has 8 emergency exits. These are clearly marked and we're pointing them out to you now. There are 2 doors at the rear of the cabin, 4 overwing exits in the centre, and 2 doors at the front.
To help you find your way to the exits when there is reduced lighting and visibility, we have additional lighting in the ceiling and in the aisle along the floor. Take a look for your nearest exits now, bearing in mind that they may be behind you.
If you need to leave the plane quickly, take off your shoes or anything that may damage the slide. Leave all luggage behind and go to your nearest usable exit.
If there's a change in cabin pressure, masks like these will appear from the panel above your head. As soon as you see it, pull down to start the flow of oxygen. Remove any face mask and breathe normally as you put it over your mouth and nose and adjust to fit. Make sure you put your own mask on first before helping anyone else. The bag on the mask may not inflate, but rest assured that oxygen will still be flowing.
A life jacket is located under your seat. When told by the cabin crew, remove it from its bag by pulling the tab. And pull it over your head. Put the strap around your waist, fasten at the front as we are showing you, and tighten by pulling the tab.
Once you're outside the plane, inflate the life jacket by pulling down on this red toggle. If you need to inflate it more, blow into this tube. There's also a light and a whistle to help you attract attention.
It's time to fasten your seatbelt. Simply press the two metal ends of your seatbelt together until they click. Then pull the strap to adjust so it's tight and low around your waist. To release your seatbelt, simply lift the metal cover. To prepare for takeoff, please make sure your seatbelt is fastened, with your tray table and cup holder folded away, your armrests down, and your window blinds fully open. Please check that bags or loose items are safely put under the seat in front of you.
Thanks for listening, and have a lovely flight.
couldn't. Because they're all like, they're hidden locations, so they're only allowed in over there. You've got to donate to them, they donate to you. It's like, they're not advertised. So you've got to just like, go on your maps, type in coffee shop, and then it'll send you all the locations, you know what I mean? All the coffee shops.
Welcome home, everyone. Now that we've landed, you must stay seated and buckled up until the seatbelt sign is turned off.
Just to let you know, you're not allowed to smoke or vape on the way to the terminal or in the terminal itself.
Before you go, please make sure you've got everything with you, and take care when you open the overhead lockers. Some things may have moved during the flight.
Our friendly customer helpers are all ready and waiting to help you. You can't miss them as they're wearing our famous red uniform.
One last thing, to say thank you for holidaying with us, we'll be giving you one of our amazing brain check vouchers. This gives you a whopping £60 off your next break with Jet2 Holidays or Jet2 Villas.
To claim your £60 off, book online at jet2holidays.com, on our app, through our friendly call centre, or visit your local independent travel agent.
From everyone at Jet2.com and Jet2 Holidays, we can't wait to see you again soon. And we hope you've all had a lovely holiday.
Go outside, I'll be there now. I just landed.
Are you mate? You right? Are you right, Bob? He's like a rose between your palms, yeah, isn't he?
Just with my mates tonight. Go on, we landed. I'll see you now soon. Go outside, yeah?
You know when I'm in net.
Yeah, go outside where you can drop us, yeah? Yeah, my mates wants to meet you, so make sure you're there, right?
And his new mates, yeah.